Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video, we learned what skills are in anti-gravity. In this video, we will take the next step and compare the two types of skills you can work with, global skills and workspace skills. The goal is to understand how they differ and when to use each one. The key difference becomes very clear. Global skills are meant to be reused across workspaces, while workspace skills are meant to stay inside one specific project. So, the choice is not about capability, but about the scope, whether you want a skill that works everywhere or one that is tailored to a particular workspace. Both global skills and workspace skills do the same basic job. They extend what an anti-gravity agent can do. The difference is where they apply. Global skills are the right choice when you want the same capability available everywhere in anti-gravity. These are ideal for repeatable patterns that are not tied to one codebase or one team process. While workspace skills are more focused, anti-gravity skills are great for project-specific workflows, such as teams' deployment process or testing conventions. So, when a skill depends on the structure, rules, or practices of one workspace, that is where workspace skills make the most sense. This is the simplest way to compare them. Global skills optimize for reuse, while workspace skills optimize for local relevance. The choice is less about capability and more about where the skill should live and where it should be available. A good way to decide is to ask whether the skill is universal or project dependent. If it is something like scaffolding or summarization that helps in many places, it belongs as a global skill. If it depends on a specific repos testing, deployment, or architecture patterns, it belongs as a workspace skill. Google's CodeLab examples of reusable skill patterns support this kind of distinction. The decision becomes easy when you think in terms of reuse versus specificity. Choose global when you want the skill everywhere. Choose workspace when the skill is tightly tied to one project's context, rules, or structure. That is the clearest practical interpretation of anti-gravity's official guidance. The core idea is simple. Both types of skills extend the anti-gravity agent, but they solve different design needs. Global skills help you reuse the same capability everywhere, while workspace skills help you tailor capabilities to a specific project. So, the best choice depends on whether your need is broad or local. So, that was our discussion on global skills and workspace skills in anti-gravity. The main takeaway is simple. Use global skills for reusable patterns across projects and use workspace skills for project-specific workflows and team conventions. Choosing the right scope helps keep your agent design more organized and effective. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next session.